Hello, my name is Scott Britton. I'm the president and CEO of MyIntelliSource Incorporated. This is part 4 of our 4-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTrack Web. In this video, I will be covering adding a trip manually should you forget or fail to record a trip. So let's get started. Starting from the MyIntelliTrack homepage, go to the Users tab menu bar and click the Trips tab. Two sections are displayed: trips that have been recorded and a section to manually add a trip for yourself or another user if you're the primary user. Manually adding a trip is not as accurate as recording GPS coordinates on the phone and then calculating the distance on the server, but it is a good rough estimate. You start by entering your origination address, which will autofill as you add more letters of the address. When your complete address is displayed by the system, select it and you are finished with the origination address. For this example, I will use my sister's home address as the origination address. Next, you enter the destination address, similar to how you entered the origination address. I will enter our corporate headquarters address as the destination address. Two other pieces of information are required, while 3 other pieces of information are optional. The 2 pieces of information required are the trip date, and you must select the user to assign the trip. Optionally, if you had any tolls or parking expenses, you could input them into the system and they would be added to the trip data along with any notes you enter. For the trip date, I will select today. For the trip user, I will select myself, the primary user account. I will leave the tolls, parking, and notes fields blank. Once you enter the required information, the Submit button in the associated section will turn blue and can be clicked. Because I want to record this trip, I click Submit, confirm the entry, and wait a moment. If your manual trip successfully is added to the system, you will get a success message back in the application window, and the trip will be added to the top of the user trip data in this case because I selected today. As you can see, a route was computed from my sister's home address to our corporate offices and is approximately 240 miles. As stated, this method of recording trips uses the best possible route to compute the distance and may differ if you would record the same trip on the phone but take an alternate route. One thing to note here: the primary user account must grant permission to each secondary user that he or she wants to have the ability to add manual trips either when inviting the secondary user initially or going to the Users tab and changing the permission and saving it. These 4 videos successfully outline how to set up and use MyIntelliTrack for your specific use. Please make sure to refer back to these videos should you need assistance or email us at the address listed at the end of the video. Thank you for watching part 4 of our 4-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTrack Web. If you'd like to know more information about our company and its software, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube. Explore our website at www.myintellisource.com or send us an email at the email address listed at the end of this video. Take care and have a great day.